there, fellow humans. Welcome to Deep Chit Chat, the only place on YouTube where we tackle life's biggest questions with the same casual, slightly sarcastic tone you use when complaining about Mondays. Ever wondered why we're all here? What's the deal with anxiety? Or maybe just why your socks always disappear in the laundry? We are a group of experienced psychologists and philosophers who are here to speak to you in a personal and humorous way, away from complex scientific jargon. Join us as we dive headfirst into the deep end of human existence, exploring everything from the meaning of life to the struggles of modern dating, all while keeping it real, relatable, and ridiculously funny. Think of us as your slightly cynical but ultimately well-meaning friends who overthink everything so you don't have to. Expect thought-provoking, but not too thought-provoking, we promise, funny, and honest conversations about the messy, beautiful, and sometimes utterly bizarre experience of being a human in the 21st century. Subscribe for your weekly dose of existential pondering with a side of laughter.